Hi friends, this is Zuzu. Welcome to the Bible Flicks. Today I'm reading Washing the Dog, Peter Sloan and Cheryl Sloan with Houghton Mifflin. To wash a dog, you will need some soap, a large tub, warm water, a bucket, a rag, and a towel. First, fill the large tub with warm water. Next, put your dog in the tub. Talk nicely to your pet. Then, pour warm water over your dog. When your dog is wet, rub soap over its fur. Rub the soap in with the rag. Then rinse your dog with warm water. Rinse off all the soap. Finally, dry your dog with a towel. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's Bible Flick story. If you did, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.